Okay, here's the IKEA INGOLF bar stool. Okay, it's the IKEA INGOLF, the INGOLF bar stool. It's a high chair. It doesn't come with the cushioning. I put the cushioning separately. The cushion comes, you get a cushioning from IKEA. Okay, got the cushioning and a chair from IKEA, but separately. Okay, it doesn't come with it again, but it fits nicely, the cushion. Of course, they make it, so. Okay, this is the bar stool. So it's very high up because the bar stool. It's got nice protection here, so you put your feet here, you don't scratch the wood. So you see here, and you see the label right there. INGOLF IKEA. And that's the bottom of that. And it's simple construction. Yeah, it's got just a screwdriver. That's all you need. Here. So it needs a screwdriver. Simple screwdriver. That's all you need. Okay. So 8 inches. So it's 40 inches. 40 inches. 40 inches high. There, and the seat itself is about 29 inches. Okay, 29 inches, the seat. So it's pretty high. There you go. It's the IKEA INGOLF bar stool.